And hey guys, we're on Penguin Trek right now. This is the last one of these for today for me. I'm gonna go pick up the kids after this, but I tell you what, if you guys like the crazy stuff, Manta and Mako, they are the sickest roller coasters out there. But right now, we're doing the Penguin Trek. We tried it last week, so let's give it another shot. Hopefully the camera holds this time. And I am roller coastered out, guys. I've been doing this stuff since the park opened this morning. And here we go. Now this one is not as bad as Mako or Manta. It does have a lot of them ripples on it though. It's not as crazy or insane as the other ones. It's a fun one. This one, the little ones can go on. The bigger ones like Mako and Manta, I wouldn't recommend bringing little kids on it. That drops are just crazy. And we're looking over there at a couple more. And this will finish it up, guys. I'll get these posted out as soon as I get back to the house. And we'll see you guys on the next one.